Welcome to DTutors YouTube channel, where we teach you everything you need to know about financial market and making money online. I am so excited to have you and can't wait to share my knowledge and experience with you because I've been in the market since 2017. Now, if you're looking to learn how to invest wisely, grow your wealth, and create a successful online business, then you have come to the right place. Our videos are designed to both be informative and engaging, providing you with the practical tips and strategies that can help you to implement right away. So, if you want to stay ahead of the game and take control of your financial future, be sure to hit the like button, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and turn on the post notification. Now, you won't afford to miss the next video coming. All you need to do is to stay connected. Now, thanks for stopping by and see you in the video. Welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'm going to be explaining what is happening in the cryptocurrency market. And I can tell you, looking at the market right now, it is not nice. Looking at the price action, what is actually happening. Earlier this week on Tuesday, we had the CPI news. The report was CPI inflation dropped to 4.0, which is actually good. And we saw on the next day, which is the Fed interest rate decision meeting, they didn't increase the interest rate, but the Fed funds rate is still at 5.25%. But we saw that DXY was actually going down. But most people will be like, oh, why is DXY going down if all the news in the positive is on the positive side of DXY? But one thing you don't understand is price action as well. As far as there is also fundamental news as well, you need to also look at what is happening at price action to understand what is actually happening in the market, of which what I'm going to be explaining to you in today's video, showing you what is happening, because I believe that the market, most especially the cryptocurrency market, is going to go down. Bitcoin will find its way to 19,000, and let's see what's going to be happening once Bitcoin gets to 19,000. And as well, I believe you saw a video of Apple Vision Pro. Apple releasing their latest product is going to be amazing, I can tell you. When that product finally launched, I can tell you a lot of people are going to get addicted to it. And guess what? You need to also start looking into augmented reality cryptocurrency that you can get involved right now in this bear market, because this is the time to make money. And I found about 2 projects that I'm going to be making video on, and you can't afford to miss that video. Now, if today is your first time watching our video, please hit the like button, click on the subscribe button, and turn on the post notification. Now, we have a goal of hitting 10,000 subscribers before the end of the year. Please help us to achieve this goal. I'm going to go straight into the video right now to show you everything that is happening in the market and how we can position ourselves and get ready to take advantage of the next bull market. All right, as you can see, this is CoinGecko right here. As you can see that the market cap is still at $1.075 trillion. As you can see, Bitcoin trading at $25,000 and so many things happening. As you can see, a lot of fraud that happened last week. We saw BNB price going down heavily, but Binance is actually winning the case. I saw a tweet that Binance asset will not be freeze. The case is still in favor of the Binance at the moment. But looking at the market generally, I still believe that the market is going to go down, and that is why I'm making this video, so you can be aware and knowing when to go and do your purchases. It's very important to start looking forward to things you can buy in this bear market, of which I mentioned earlier when I started this video, going into the augmented reality coins. Most especially those coins are going to do well in the next bull market, considering that Apple have taken a bold step creating the Apple Vision Pro. Guys, it's going to be huge in the next bull market. But right now is the time to position yourself, and I have 2 coins to show you, but you need to be a subscriber for you not to miss that video. Now let's go straight into the chart. Let me show you what is actually happening in the market. Let's go to the chart right now. All right, this is DXY. As you can see, this is daily chart of DXY. As you can see, this was yesterday. The market heavily moved to the downside. This was towards after the CPI and the FOMC news. The market started going down. A lot of people will be like, oh, why is it going down? I thought it would start going up. A lot of people thought the market to move up from here, let's say from this demand area, and the market keep on going down to this particular demand area. Now, this is one of the things you usually see in the market. If the market rallies up so massively, we can see some significant pull back before we start seeing some push momentum. To me, I still believe that DXY is still bullish. Yeah, I still believe that DXY is still bullish, and I'm still bullish in DXY. As you can see, the market has actually tapped into a very clear region. As you can see, it taps here. That was yesterday. You can see, but it's closed with a body close. Does it mean that we are still bearish? No, I'm not bearish. This is kind of like taking liquidity for the market to go to the opposite direction. But that is just what is happening on the daily time frame. So if you go to 4 hours, let's see what is happening on 4 hours right now. So this is 4 hour time frame, as you can see. The market, a lot of people say that this is bearish. A lot of people say this is bullish. A lot of things markets can do, those different things, and people interpret it differently. To me, I think that this is bullish. I'm going to be very bullish. Even if I'm wrong, I have risk management to protect myself because I also trade currency. I trade Euro USD a lot, and the whatever that is happening in DXY impacts Euro USD either on either direction, whether going up or going down. So if these things start going up, definitely Euro USD will start pushing to the downside. But I'm not here to show you about Euro USD. But also what is happening in DXY also affects BTC, which is what I'm about to explain to you in today's video. So I'm actually expecting the market to start pushing up. From here, let's see what happens in the New York section. This is actually towards the end of the London section. As you can see, what the kind of price action will start printing here. You can see the market push up. You can see this beautiful momentum. And we saw a candle that grabbed liquidity resting here. We'll see that the market is actually holding at this particular demand area. We can start seeing bullishness towards the New York section. That is why I believe that DXY is bullish. And if DXY start pushing up from here, we're going to be attacking different highs. There's a lot of highs on the front for us to attack. Oh, let me show you on the daily. I'm actually going to be expecting the market to move as high as 10 getting to 107, but the first target is 105. The second target is 105.094. The second target is 105.872. Then the last target is 107. Now, if that happens, it's going to be very brutal for BTC and even other assets correlating or pairing against DXY. Even if we can start attacking the previous high, definitely it's going to be massive. It's going to be massive sell-off. It's going to be, DXY is going to be very strong. So guys, let us just get ready to what is about to happen. I'm going to be doing analysis to show you the recent development of what is actually happening. Now let me show you BTC for you to see what is actually going on in BTC. All right, so this is BTC on a daily time frame. As you can see, last week I made a video. If you are in this channel, I made a video that we're actually creating lows. As you can see, we created another low yesterday and the market started pushing up. Okay, we created another low day before yesterday. Yesterday we saw a push up. Right now the market is actually indecisive. So looking at what has actually happened, you can see a little bit pullback happening already. What am I going to take a sell? Because this is actually creating different lows. This is a low, this is a low, this is a low, this is a low, and this is another low. You can see we are printing lower lows, meaning that we are going to the downside. There is no need, looking for buys here because the market is actually pushing to the downside. So if I go to the 4 hour to see what I'm going to be taking my sells, if there is an opportunity, if the market presents opportunity, I think this is a very good place for us to take a sell, which is this place is actually a very good area for us to look out for the market to push up to, for the market to start going down, to start attacking the price of 19,000. So that is all for the market analysis. But remember, anything that happens to Bitcoin has a way it affects all the market. If Bitcoin is going up, majority of the coins will be going up. If Bitcoin is going down, majority of the crypto market will be going down. So that is all for now. I believe you got value from this video. I want you to hit the like button, hit on the subscribe button, and turn on the post notification so you don't miss any of our video. See you in another video.